subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. South Korean tech powerhouse LG has introduced 3 more models from its Gram lineup to the Indian market. LG Gram 14, LG Gram 16 and LG Gram 17 lightweight laptops, all coming with the 11th generation Intel Core processor. The company, in unveiling the ultra-light products in India, states that the LG Gram lineup was designed to maximize the usability for the consumers, with superior performance and strong battery life. The LG Gram models are focused on providing the latest technology that enhances their lifestyle. LG Gram 17, Gram 16 and the Gram 14, 14Z90P, are the 3 models, and they share several common features. All 3 models have a 16:10 display, similar processors, Iris graphics, and LPDDR4X RAM. Gram 17 and Gram 16 both have a WSCA 2560 by 1600 pixels display, while the Gram 14 comes with a WSCA 1920 by 1200 pixels display. 3 models are USB Type 4 compatible, have Thunderbolt 4 port, and strong battery life. With USB 4 compatibility, each of the models can be charged through the USB Type-C port. Lastly, the LG Gram 17 and Gram 16 each have 80 Wh high-density batteries, which are more efficient. All 3 LG Gram laptops are available, both online and offline outlets across the subcontinent. Starting price for the lowest model is $1,010. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.